We are now at the last part of the example. Keep watching. It's how you handle the fact that you come in front of the arrange bucket and it's empty. Okay. A thing we can do at some point, we said earlier that we can do a controller to do some hack. Okay. We can use the controller. Then let's find my controller, my card controller. When I have an arrange, okay, and if the repository is empty, what should I do? I cannot take an arrange and put in my card. There's no arrange there. Okay, then I should call check in the inventory if there's arrange. That's fine. Okay, let's go with this. When I have to add an arrange, I send a command, take an arrange, but there's no more arrange. At some point, we should have to be able to send a command because there's no command, and I shouldn't be able to take an arrange. Okay, but let's go with the example that the command is still sent, and there's no arrange in the inventory. Then here, if I am in an aggregate, I should handle the case and then send events like notifying the clerk that he needs to come back to come with the arrange and to fill the bucket. Okay, but for just an example, I will just say arrange inventory is empty. But for that, I need to inject the arrange repository inventory. Okay, then no bother. I come here, I just create an arrange inventory, I just add it there. Remember again, I make dynamic code. Here it's dynamic, I just inject stuff. There's no new in my code if you have seen. Okay, add an arrange. If the arrange, the inventory is empty because I took too much arrange, then it will no more be able. Then here I can publish more events, and then here I just put a message. That's fine. Then I have to fix the card controller binding, okay, because I have played in the card controller, and I came back into my binding, and then where I have my card controller, I have to inject the arrange repository. Okay, arrange repository, arrange inventory. Oh gosh, the arrange inventory is the clear. After, then I just move my code. That's it. Okay, if I run that code, it will go without problem because I have set 10 arrange in my inventory. Let's run. I still have, then there is no message showing the bucket is empty. Okay, then by example I can say that I put one item in my inventory. That's fine. It will still run because I still have one item, and it will say that there's no more item. Okay, then at this point we know that we can do something. But let's say we have 3, 4, 5% that coming in and say, oh man, you have to go to see the clerk to get up arrange. Okay, let's try that case. Let's say we have 2, 3, 4, 5% that coming in. Okay, I just sent another arrange command. Okay, this one will be 4. And then here, should I have now 3 object in my cart? No, because there's no more arrange in the bucket, then I'm unable to take an arrange, and the arrange inventory list should be still 0. Let's try if I did good code. Okay, I'm still unable to add. There's still 0 item. There's still 2 apple in arrange because I took the one that it was left, and you see here my message, arrange inventory is empty. Okay, then at some point, if I make a more complex system, this should send a message to the clerk saying that the arrange inventory is empty. Then he will receive, okay, now I have a notification, I came back, and then I'm able to fill the arrange. While the customer is still waiting and he already received the message. So that was a good example about messaging, going from some part of I can just add an apple, but my bucket is empty. What I can do if I have to do something before, pre-calculus or something like this, then it's able. You just have to think, oh, we need something. And what I should do if I get in front of a case where, like this, my bucket is empty, there is no more item, then we can handle it. It's more a scalable, distributed program when you use messaging. Let's think about that. You have Gregor Hopes that can help you thinking. There, he made a great book. You have a Greg Young with CQRS. You have many patterns you can use, Martin Fowler, and then you've seen here that I'm using some stuff of Robert Sir Martin to do implementation. At some point, go ahead, have fun. You know you can do all your stuff in your own room with in 50 minutes. Thanks for watching.